Ready then, I'm over here wiring this light switch. I'm not sure if y'all can see me or not. I might be out of range. No, I think you can see where my hands are. Okay. And basically all this does is break the circuit on this wire. I want it so that when it's on, the switch is up. It's really easy to put these in upside down and have it be backwards. And always nice if the switches are actually working in the right direction. It'll work either way, but you know, it's just easier if everything works the way it's supposed to, which is well if you put it in right. So, poke this right in here, tighten that screw, hook this one onto here, tighten that screw. This whole thing into here. Well, before I do that, I'm going to mount the box with a hammer. One of those little plastic boxes with nails through it. It should go, I think, about right there. I think that'll leave me enough wire to get down to where I want to go and leave enough room in the back of that for the sheetrock. And this part goes in right here. And this other part will go right into here. And what I'll do is I'll go downstairs and kill the power on this switch, and then I can wire that, and then we'll be done with the electrical part. So I plugged my vacuum cleaner into that. It made enough racket so that when I was down in the cellar, when I threw the right switch, it stopped running. I could hear it stop running, so then I knew that this plug was dead. Now what I'm going to do is just wire that light switch to that plug. One of the things I don't do is give electrical advice. That's why I don't do like a step-by-step, here's how you do it, because I've said it before, I'm not an electrician. I'm just kind of a homemade handyman that does my own work, and I don't tell anybody else how to do it because I don't want anybody else to get hurt if they do it wrong, and it'd be my fault for telling them something wrong. So, my best advice to you if you want to do stuff like this is get one of them little handy books. You know, they sell these books that tell you how to do stuff. And that's kind of what I go by a lot of times. I'll get one of those how-to books. I think I got a whole series of Time Life books that say, you know, how to do wiring and plumbing and different stuff. And I use those anytime I'm doing something electrical and I need to figure out what goes where. I'll resort back to them books. It helps quite a lot. Of course, nowadays you can get that stuff online too, but I just use the books because I'm old and I always have, and it's always worked out good for me, so that's what I do. Oh, my neighbor just showed up with a truckload of tin. Oh boy, more roofage. That's going to be good.